Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can fix your Apple TV remote that is not working, including the problems with the volume buttons or with the power buttons or the touchpad or the connection related issues. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply take a look at the remote's battery. Now, a low battery can cause the strange problems long before the remote fully dies. So, if the volume buttons stopped responding, the touchpad is not working, or the power button is showing you inconsistency, you can just simply connect Siri remote to a charger for at least 30 minutes using the lightning or the USB-C cable depending on the model. Now sometimes the remote loses its Bluetooth connection with the Apple TV. So what you can do is you can just simply move the remote close to the Apple TV box, and then you can press the back button plus the volume up button, and you just have to simply press and hold these two buttons for at least 5 seconds. Now a pairing message should appear after pressing these, and once the connection refreshes successfully. Now instead of resetting only the remote, you can also restart the Apple TV itself. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your Apple TV, then go to system. Inside system, the last option would be off restart. So you just have to simply select this particular option and wait for some time until it is restarting your Apple TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.